Folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix repairing disk errors windows, then let's look at some solutions. The first solution would be to remove all the peripheral devices, the external devices. So this would be your printer, scanner, anything that's connected to the USB ports to the system, your computer. The reason for this is these devices usually are third party manufacturers and they push their own drivers so that they can interact better with the system. Now what happens is sometimes these drivers corrupt the system and cause such errors. So we'll try to remove these external devices and see if this error pops up. If that doesn't work, then we need to rebuild the BCD. So how we can do that is we'll go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and input the command BOOTREC space slash REBUILD BCD and press enter, and this should resolve the error. Now if this too doesn't work, then we can go for the final solution, which should definitely work, and that would be to check the disk for any errors or bad sectors. So how do we do that? We input the command chk dsk space slash f slash space slash r. So chk dsk slash f space slash r, press enter, press y and enter, and this should prevent the error from repeating itself again. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.